Hello my buddies, welcome to Mr. Mind YouTube channel. In today's video I will teach you budgeting. Managing your finances is an essential aspect of achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. And the foundation of good financial management is creating and maintaining a budget. However, there is a lot to cover when it comes to budgeting, and we want to ensure that we provide you with all the information you need to create and maintain a successful budget. Therefore, we have decided to split this video into two parts due to the length. In part 1, we will discuss the importance of budgeting, how to create a budget, and strategies for sticking to your budget and overcoming common budgeting challenges. In part 2, we will dive deeper into some of the more advanced budgeting topics, such as dealing with irregular income, creating a savings plan, and investing for the future. We believe that by splitting this video into two parts, we can provide you with a more comprehensive understanding of budgeting and financial management. So, be sure to watch both parts to get the most out of this video series. Let's get started with part 1. Why budget is important. Helps you control your spending. A budget helps you keep track of your expenses and limit your spending. It can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments. 2. Helps you achieve financial goals. A budget can help you save money for short-term and long-term financial goals, such as paying off debt, buying a house, or saving for retirement. 3. Helps you plan for emergencies. A budget can help you set aside money for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. 4. Reduces financial stress. By having a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can avoid financial surprises and reduce stress related to money. 5. Helps you make informed financial decisions. A budget can help you evaluate financial decisions, such as whether to take on debt, make a big purchase, or invest in a new opportunity. Overall, creating a budget can help you take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and reduce financial stress. How to determine your budget. Determining your income involves adding up all the money that you earn from different sources. Here are some steps to follow. 1. List all your sources of income. Make a list of all the sources of income you have, including your salary, side hustles, investments, and any other sources of income. 2. Determine the frequency of each income source. Some income sources may be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You need to determine the frequency of each income source to get an accurate picture of your income. 3. Add up the income from each source. Once you have listed all your income sources and determined the frequency of each income source, you can start adding up the income from each source. 3. For example, if you earn a salary of $3,000 per month, a side hustle of $500 per month, and investment income of $200 per month, your total income would be $3,700 per month. Calculate your annual income. To determine your annual income, multiply your total monthly income by 12. In the example above, your annual income would be $44,400, $3,700 by 12. It's important to make sure you include all sources of income when determining your income. This will help you get an accurate picture of your financial situation and allow you to make informed financial decisions. How to calculate your expenses. To calculate your expenses, you can start by tracking your spending over a set period of time, such as a month. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Keep track of all your expenses. Write down all your expenses over a set period of time, such as a month. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook to keep track of your expenses. 2. Divide your expenses into categories. Once you have a list of all your expenses, divide them into categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and so on. You can create as many categories as you need to get a clear picture of your spending habits. 3. Calculate your total expenses for each category. Add up all your expenses for each category to determine your total spending. 3. For example, if your housing expenses include rent, utilities, and insurance, add up all these expenses to get your total housing expenses. Calculate your total monthly expenses. Once you have calculated your expenses for each category, add them up to get your total monthly expenses. This will give you a clear picture of how much money you are spending each month. Analyze your spending. Look at your spending habits to identify areas where you may be overspending. This can help you make adjustments to your budget and cut back on unnecessary expenses. By tracking your expenses and dividing them into categories, you can get a clear picture of your spending habits and identify areas where you may be overspending. This can help you make informed financial decisions and take control of your finances. Importance of setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is important because it helps you stay focused on your long-term objectives and motivates you to make smart financial decisions. Here are some ways that setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and on track with your budget. Provides a clear direction. Setting financial goals gives you a clear direction of where you want to be financially. It helps you create a roadmap of the steps you need to take to achieve your financial objectives. Helps prioritize spending. Financial goals can help you prioritize your spending and make informed decisions about your money. When you have a goal in mind, it's easier to say no to unnecessary expenses that don't align with your financial objectives. Provides a sense of accomplishment. When you achieve a financial goal, it provides a sense of accomplishment and motivates you to continue making progress. This can be particularly important when you're working on long-term goals that take time to achieve. 4. Increases financial awareness. Setting financial goals can increase your financial awareness and help you understand the impact of your spending habits on your long-term financial health. 5. Keeps you accountable. Financial goals can help you stay accountable to yourself and your budget. When you have a clear goal in mind, it's easier to stick to your budget and avoid impulsive spending. Overall, setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and on track with your budget. It provides a clear direction, helps prioritize spending, provides a sense of accomplishment, increases financial awareness, and keeps you accountable to your financial objectives. How to create a budget using spreadsheet or any budget app. Creating a budget using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app is a great way to keep track of your income and expenses. Here are some steps to follow. List your sources of income. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and investments. Make sure to include the frequency of each source of income, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc. Determine your expenses. List all your expenses, including your fixed expenses, rent/mortgage, utilities, car payment, insurance, and variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, clothing. Use your bank statements and credit card statements to ensure you don't miss any expenses. Allocate your income into different categories. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, etc. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to allocate a specific percentage of your income to each category. Set spending limits for each category. Once you have allocated your income into different categories, set a spending limit for each category. For example, you might allocate 30% of your income to housing and set a spending limit of $1,500 per month. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending each month. Make sure to stay within your spending limits and adjust your budget as needed. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Review your budget regularly to make sure you are on track to meet your financial goals. Adjust your budget as needed to accommodate changes in your income or expenses. By creating a budget using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app, you can allocate your income into different categories, set spending limits for each category, and track your spending to ensure you are staying within your budget. This can help you stay on track with your financial goals and make informed financial decisions and take control of your finances. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next part 2 video.